We're one of the most active investors in the world, doing over 250 investments per year across the globe. One is really early stage companies. Think of two co-founders in an idea that will invest at the pre-seed stage. The other way we invest is through one of our dedicated vertical funds that we raise almost exclusively from our corporate partners that can invest in the hottest Series A and Series B companies around the globe. We invest in a variety of ways and a variety of check sizes, from $50,000 to the very low end to as high as $2.5 million on the high end. And the whole strategy is basically to have our LPs be the customers of the companies that we invest in. 90% of our portfolio are B2B SaaS companies ready to scale up with our corporate network. Given our check size, given how we invest in companies, our value add lies in how we support the companies with revenue generation, global support, VC support, exposure, and so on. The process of how we invest in companies is one of us on the ventures team or broader will meet that company and bring it to our pipeline meeting where one of the partners will essentially vet the company and see if it's worth going into due diligence with. And if it is, we'll do our customer reference checks, our market analysis, team backgrounds and bios, cap table analysis, market research, unit economics, and so on to make sure if this is a right deal to take to our investment committee. Our investment committee meets twice per week where we're approving 5 to 10 new deals every week to invest in. For example, before we invest in a company, we might introduce a fintech company to 10 banks. If 7 of those banks do a follow-up meeting, 3 of them do a pilot, and 2 of them do a full commercial deal, those are some pretty good drivers for us to invest in that company. On the flip side, we also use that corporate network as a way to support our portfolio companies with revenue generation and global support in other parts of the world where that company might not be able to scale up without partners like Plug and Play.